today let's start with chapter number 11, chemical effects of electric current. So in this chapter, let's study about electrical energy. It is the most common source of energy in today's world. It is the most convenient and useful and pollution-free form of energy. Right? Daily lives would be imaginable without it. जो daily lives है वो बहुत unimaginable होगी. So we have things around us like fans, television, light, cooler, machine. All of them use electrical energy. सब क्या कर रहे हैं? Electrical energy का use. So now let's study about the conductor and insulator to test that the material conduct electricity or not. So we can take a bulb, a cell, a copper wire, an iron clip, and a small piece of. Method क्या है? What you will do? Make an electric circuit as shown in the figure. Complete the circuit first using an iron clip and then using a small piece of. You will observe the change when the complete electrical circuit by using an iron clip, bulb light up. But when we use a piece of wood in place of the clip, the bulb does not light up at all. Bulb light up नहीं कर. So the result showed that iron is a good conductor of electricity while wood is not. So material that allow electricity to flow through them easily, वो क्या होता है? Conductor हो. Right? All these metals are good conductor of electricity. Only graphite, which is non-metal conductor of electricity. Some materials such as rubber, wood, plastic, glass, they do not allow flow of electricity from them. And materials that do not allow electricity to flow through them easily, what are we call them? Insulator. ठीक है, इससे क्या होती है? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लो नहीं करती वो इंसुलेटर, और जिससे करती है वो कंडक्टर. नाउ चेकिंग एन इलेक्ट्रिक टेस्टर. अब देखो एक इलेक्ट्रिक टेस्टर है. व्हाट यू विल डू? You will first step in identifying a particular liquid conductor or to make a proper electrical test. It can be made in similar manner or above we need to test before conducting any act. Join the free ends of the tester for a moment. This complete circuit and the bulb lights up. But if the bulb does not glow, अगर bulb glow नहीं करता, so it means that tester is not working properly. कि जो आपका tester है वो properly work नहीं कर. For it to function properly, check all the connections are tight for the bulb. If not, it is fused or the cell is not stop work. इस cell ने क्या करा? काम करना बंद कर दिया. Right? In some cases, bulb does not light up because the current that flows through the circuit is weak. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि bulb इसलिए भी लाइट नहीं करता कि जो current flow कर रहा है वो weak हो. Right? The bulb is substituted by a LED. जिसको हम light emitting diode कहते हैं. Now making a texture using magnet. We have already learned that electric current produces a magnetic field. Even a very weak electric current can cause a noticeable deflection. Right? So this property allows us to make another type of tester जिसे कहते हैं presence of electric current को दिखाता है. Right? Place a compass needle inside the tray of matchbox and wrap it to the copper wire. You will connect the free end of the wire to one of the terminal battery, leaving it to another end free. The deflection in the compass needle so that the tester is working properly. वो ये दिखाता है कि जो आपका टेस्टर है वो properly work कर रहा हो. यहाँ पे आपको एक्टिविटी भी दी गई टू फाइंड आउट डिस्टिल्ड वाटर, टैप वाटर, शुगर सॉल्यूशन, सॉल्ट और लाइम. इसमें से कौन सा वाटर गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ठीक है, आप ज्वाइन करोगे टेस्टर को, फिर आप डिफरेंट लिक्विड्स लोगे और फ्री हैंड्स उनको डिप करोगे. ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या होगी? डिस्टिल्ड वाटर नो डिफ्लेक्शन, बैड कंडक्टर. टैप वाटर गुड कंडक्टर. Sugar, bad conductor. Lime juice, good conductor. Salt solution, good conductor. Now here is activity given to you, that is to find out whether other substances that can be added to distilled water to make a good conductor of lead. इसमें आपको LED टेस्टर चाहिए. 3 plastic caps of bottle, distilled water, dill, HCl, sodium hydroxide solution and shake. Right? Now take a 3 plastic caps of the bottles and fill them half with distilled water. आपको HCl की 1 कैप लेनी है, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सॉल्यूशन लेना है और उसको डिजोल्व करना है. फिर आप टेस्ट करोगे कि जो LED लाइट्स है, लाइट्स अप व्हेन द फ्री एंड्स ऑफ द टेस्टर्स आर डिप्ड इनटू द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ HCl. इससे क्या कंक्लूड होगा कि मोस्ट लिक्विड्स दैट कंटेन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ एसिड, बेसिस एंड सॉल्ट. जिसके अंदर भी क्या होगा? जो क्या होगा आपका, जिसको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट करेगा लिक्विड, उसको किसका सॉल्यूशन होगा? एसिड का, बेसिक और सॉल्ट. नाउ केमिकल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट केमिकल इफेक्ट्स? इरिवर्सिबल चेंज होता है. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट आल्सो प्रोड्यूस केमिकल इफेक्ट. केमिकल कंपाउंड्स whose molecule ionize into positively or negatively charged solution, it is called electrolytes. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Electrolytes के. Now 2 cardboard rods, copper wires, battery beaker, few drop of lime grease and tap water. Now take out 2 carbon rods from discarded cell and clean them with a metal cap with scented. Wrap the copper wire, आपको copper wire wrap करना around it. Right, observe this would act as an electrode. And now take some water in the beaker and few drops of lime juice to it to improve its conductivity. अगर आपको उसकी conductivity को improve कर. Now observation, after 3 to 4 minutes we see bubbles in both electrodes. In above activity we see that chemical reaction take place and the electrolyte water is decomposed into hydrogen and oxygen. Now gases may be released in the form of bubble. जो change होगा color में electrolyte के वो आप observe करोगे. Some deposits of metals may be observed on the electrolyte. So that decomposition of electrolyte when electric current is passed through it, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Electrolysis. What we call it? Electrolysis. So we will study now the uses of electrolysis. First is extraction of metal from their ores. Electrolysis is used in the extraction of metal from the ores. When the electric current is passed through molten sodium chloride, sodium is deposited at the cathode and chlorine gas क्या होके वो gathered with where at anode. Manufacturers of chemicals. Electrolysis is used for manufacturers of chemicals that are used in industries in large quantity. Right? जैसे हम oxygen gas, fluorine gas, hydrogen gas, it is used to run electrolysis. Refining of metal. Electrolyte refining means refining purification by electrolysis. It is most important and it is widely used method for refining metal. जैसे आपके copper, zinc, silver, gold, nickel हो गया, ये क्या है आपके refined method. They are used by the refined method. Now electroplating. In our daily life, we see many articles that have great shine and luster. They regularly wear and tear. और जिनका continuous usage है, non-lustrous part है inside it is relief. This method of coating the metal surface with thin layer of superior metal, ये किसमें help करता है? Electric current में. It is called electroplating. Does a metal coated over another metal? Now we shall study how the process of electrolysis is useful in metal industry. To perform electroplating of an object with copper, what you will do, you will take 2 copper. आप 2 copper plate लोगे जिसका size 10 cm. With sandpaper, rise them with water and dry them properly. आप connect करोगे copper plates को to the terminal of the battery and then dip them with the copper sulfate salts. Also add few drops of dilute sulfuric acid in the copper sulfate solution and allow the current to flow for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Now, what are the uses of electroplating? Uses का electroplating के आर्टिफिशियल ज्वेलरी में इसका यूज करते हैं जो आपको ऐसे लगते हैं वो सिल्वर या गोल्ड की रियल. ठीक है, it only gives real appearance but it is quite expensive and affordable. Since chromium is corrosion resistant and has a good luster, its coating is widely used in car parts. Sanitary item, gas burner, इसमें इसका यूज करें. The iron used in automobile industry is coated with layer of zinc जो आपको रस्टिंग से प्रोटेक्ट करती है. Many less reactive metal, जैसे आपका निकल हो गया, they are electroplated on iron. So this electroplated on iron is the manufacture of tin cans and tin is less reactive. It does not corrode easily. ये किसके साथ रिएक्ट नहीं करती? जो फूड उसमें स्टोर होता है उसके साथ वो कभी भी रिएक्ट नहीं करे. It is responsible for the flow of current in liquid ions. The non-metal that is good conductor of electricity, that is graphite. It is a good conductor of electricity, iron. The solution is a bad conductor of electricity, that is sugar solution. Electroplating, it is used in, कहाँ use की जाती है electroplating? Jewelry. It is used in jewelry. Now fill in the blanks. The flow of electric charge is called electric. Now, some liquids are good conductor of electricity. Water on electrolysis, this associates into, जो water होता है electrolysis पे वो किस में associate होता है? नाइट्रोजन, and oxygen. What is the full form of LED? light emitting diode. Now write T for true and F for false statement. Electricity is a flow of charge. All metals are good conductor of electricity. True. Sugar solution is a good conductor of electricity. False. The LED is electric tester that glows only if there is a high current. False. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. Now subjective. Short question. Which liquids can be called good conductor of electric? अभी मैंने आपको बताया था. What is conductor and does insulator? जो electric, जो light मतलब electric current conduct करते हैं वो conductor, जो नहीं करते वो insulator. What is electroplating and what is electrorefine? What is the chemical of electric current? Explain the process of electroplating और आपको फिर uses बताने लगे. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.